Hi, this is Kevin with Make Creative Design. First off, if you're seeing this and you like what you see, please like it and follow us. One of the things that sets us apart from others in the industry when we are working with our clients, we like to do something that's custom that you can't just find in a store. So we came up with these cute centerpieces for a Christmas party that our client is having, and we wanted to share this idea with you. It's super easy, and we're going to walk you through the process and the different materials we used for making these drums that these nutcrackers can stand on. So we got a cylinder from Home Depot. These are used to form foundations. They come in an 8-inch diameter or bigger sizes. This was the perfect size. This one's already pre-cut. They come in 4 feet long cylinders. So anyway, we cut the base of the drum with a saw based off the size that we wanted for the drum. The other materials that we used in this process is this white EVA foam. You can get this at Hobby Lobby. We took it and cut it in the strips. This is what we used here around the top and the bottom of the drum. And we just painted those gold, and then just to add an extra element to it, after painting them gold, we decided to add this gold glitter to it as well. We use standard ribbon that you can find at any craft store. This, I think, is a 2.5-inch ribbon. That's what created the middle part of the drum. We took our glue gun, cut our ribbon the length that we needed it to fit around the drum or the cylinder. Then we painted our strips gold, added glitter, let those dry. Again, used our glue gun, and we attached those to the top and the bottom of the drum. We then ordered some little half circle buttons off of Amazon. That's what you see here on the drum. And we just secured those again using the glue gun. We then took some floral wire and cut it to the desired lengths that we wanted. And that's this little detail that you see here. We inserted those in between the cylinder and the strips and crisscrossed them to make the effect that you see here on the drum. Again, this is a super easy thing you can do. These would be cute to put in a Christmas tree, centerpiece, or use them just alone as the drum, as you see there. Again, don't forget to like our page and follow us.